What's up, YouTube? It is sonnthetrader dudes. It is sonnthetrader dudes. Dudes and girls. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, this is my watch list now. You see, US30, NAS, gold, Bitcoin. I think this is velocity, something like that. Not velocity, but volatility index. Yeah, I said velocity. Man. So yeah, this trade here, I got in this entry. This blue line is like the stop loss. So I have my stop loss. I'm gonna show you guys on my live account. But the reason why I took this entry is because it was bearish still. Like the trend is bearish, guys. Like since up here, it's been going down. It's been pushing down, breaking lows. It's been breaking lows. Even though when it had this slippage here, like went down, I was like, okay, it went back up. I was like, okay, it hasn't, like it didn't fully make the move to go back down, but it started going down. I had gotten somewhere here, but I'm gonna show you guys on my live account. It's my live account, my TP, my entry, wait, open price, current, profit. This is when I had got in open time. So I took this trade on the 11th. Today's the 14th. Today's Saturday. Market is closed. So yeah. And I added my stop loss. So my stop loss, the red line on my stop loss. You see the red lines. Some of these are my stop losses. So this one, I'll be 28 in profit, 600 points if it come back up. So TP is down there. I need 600 points for this trade to complete. So this is how it looks. That's how it looks. And I'm taking small entries, bro, because you know it's US30, like, you know what I'm saying? It is US30, so that's why I'm taking small entries. And it's a 900 margin level. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you guys another thing. Right. You see this live account, ECN, baby. ECN 33%. So this trade is like 33% in profit. Yeah, 33%, and things like that. Yeah, the chart looks good here. Yeah, so whenever you're trading and stuff like that, whenever you're trading, right, and you see the market is always making resistance, let's just say it was in the bullish entry, then it started breaking below, always breaking below, just know it's gonna keep selling. Even though it starts showing like green candles going up, sometimes that's the reversal. Sometimes that's like, okay, this is gonna come back to retest the zone. It's mostly retest, or retest, or sometimes it can just come back and take liquidity and then move the way it actually wants to go. Like when you look here, it just, whenever you look at the charts, you gotta start looking from this side, you know what I'm saying? And you gotta start looking at the overall trend. That's why you always gotta look on the daily, right? The daily showing big red candles, right? Even though it shows this green candle, right, from here going up, you gotta look at overall trend. It was already going down, pushing down crazy. Even though this candle closed green, that doesn't mean it's gonna go up. It means it's coming back to retest the zone, a certain zone, before it makes the move it wants to make. Now the market closed today's Saturday. Like I said, today's Saturday, but the market is closed today, right? But Bitcoin is still open. Bitcoin is open, you know what I'm saying? But everything else is closed. Only Bitcoin is open because it's a crypto. So yeah, man, like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like, I started trading US30. I'm kind of like getting good at it. I'm getting the hang of it, the best of it. I'm seeing like the good patterns in it, the good way to trade it. I'm seeing it every time, man. Every time I see it. And I plan on like trading these a lot, like US30, NAS, gold, Bitcoin, all throughout this year, and continuously keep growing as a trader with this. Yeah, I mean, I traded the forex pairs, man, like USDCHF and things like that. I traded them a lot, but I realized, like, bro, I wasn't doing as much progress, like, for real. But whenever I trade like US30 NAS, it's just one entry. I can like one entry, one position can give me more than what you make in a forex account, on a forex trade. So that's why I was like, okay, you know what? Let me stick to trading indexes and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Dow Jones, US30. If you know, you know. If you know about this, you know. You know what I'm saying? You know. Yeah. So now, okay. So yeah, US30. I'm in the trade. Now let's look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is going down as well. If I had took this position, I would have definitely lost. I avoided this one. I avoided this one. Yeah. If I had took this one, I would have definitely took a L. Oof. Let me just delete that. Okay, let's see. So here, this candle went up. See this zone here. All right. We can see. All right, we can see that. Okay. This chart was like the trade is going down. You can see from here. It didn't break above here. This right here, it didn't break above it. So from up here, it's been going down. All right, it came to here, then it break below, came back up here. Now it's gonna break below here to push further down. Now, where is it gonna continue? Where is it gonna go further down? It's probably gonna go to this line I have right here, or it can continuously go down to this area right here. Yeah, it can. It can. So you see it's breaking below here. So all right, hold on. Now let's look at the 4 hour. Now let's look at the 1 hour. Yep, on the 1 hour, it's doing the same thing. So this is how, like, you know, once you see like a lot of the like a lot of the higher time frames are correlating, you know this trade is really gonna be a valid one. And so okay, the 1 minute, let's see, 15 minute. Yep. So yeah, this trade is looking good. So that means it's gonna go down to either this line right here or push into the further down. But you know me, it's gonna go like this. So if I'm taking this trade, this is how I would take it, all the way down here. Let's see on the daily. Let's go back on the daily. Let's see. Yeah, so this is like where the zone is, like this is where the zone is at. So that means once it can continue, like take out these lows, it can continuously come back down here. So that means I'm already in US30, but depends on how US30 trade goes. I might end up placing the entry in this one and go with the flow, and just go with the flow, go with the trend with it, because it looks like it's looking like it wants to go down. Because you know tomorrow's Sunday, tomorrow the market is open, so tomorrow it might go do different things, you know what I'm saying? So there's times when the market opens, it might be in a bearish like this, and then it just start moving another way. So you just gotta wait till tomorrow and see what happens. And Monday, I'm not gonna rush to get in this trade, but I'm gonna see what it does. So now let's look at gold. Ooh, gold. If I had gotten gold, I would have been stopped out. Yep, would have almost been stopped out, or the margin levels, man, because gold be moving crazy. Like gold be moving crazy, guys. If I did get in gold, I probably would have got margin called or something like that. But I'm gonna keep looking at it, cause I really want to start trading gold, cause I know cause I know like one day it'll make that it'll make that move. Not like it'll make that move. So we gotta mark, cause if it's going down here, it can start going down there. I'm gonna leave like gotta give it room, you know what I'm saying? So whenever it comes like if it comes back down here, because the trend is bullish. Like overall the trend is bullish. Even though it start going down here, the trend is still bullish. That means it can always come down here and then move up. Depends. or how it's going. But I'm gonna keep looking at gold. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna keep looking at it. And Bitcoin, I remember I took that trade, man. I didn't even hold, like, bruh. That, yeah. But it is what it is. And oh, okay. I had marked this before. Okay. This is looking good. Ain't gonna lie. You can see it's bullish. Broke above here. Broke up. You know what I'm saying? Broke above here. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah. If it's going up, right? It's already bullish. The trend is bullish, so stop loss will be here, and then entry could be somewhere here, and we can target the high like this. Yeah, 5%, 11%. Okay, that looks beautiful. But yeah, for this week, man, I'm gonna look at a lot of these. I'm gonna be looking at them. But like I said, guys, I'm already in US30. I'm still in US30. I'm in the US30 sell. Like last videos I show US30 hit TP and I made a withdrawal, but now I'm in a new trade in US30. I took that trade. I did not even post it on my Discord, but yeah, man. I'll see you guys, man. Take good trades, okay, man. Take the best setups. Don't get in every single trades you see, and bro, that's how you become best at trading. You become good at what you're doing, and that's it, man. Peace.